Hi, welcome back. This is Ira and I'm the head of ecosystem initiatives at Venture. The question we're looking at today is, what is an investor exit strategy? In the simplest of terms, an exit strategy is how an investor plans to get out of an investment. It is a plan to sell ownership in a company upon meeting certain criteria to other investors or to another company. An exit strategy provides an opportunity to make a substantial profit when liquidating their stake in a business. Some exit strategies available to startup investors are an IPO. A startup may choose to go public and thus create liquidity in returns for investors. Sometimes companies that are about to go public buy up other small players. This strategy becomes a secondary form of exit for other investors across other companies in the form of a buyout. Mergers and acquisitions. The startup might merge with another startup or company into one entity with a broader scope of operations, or the startup might be acquired by a larger company. Selling the company in a merger and acquisition helps investors get their money out. Private offerings. Instead of going public, startups may offer their shares to individuals or a select group of investors in a private offering in order to help existing investors liquidate their stakes. Venture capital. For an angel investor, a funding round from a VC works well in order to pull out their investment in a startup. A management buyout. Startups that are not aiming for an exit but are looking to keep upping their sales might structure a management buyout in the scenario of an investor feeling the need to cash out. In a management buyout, the management team, in this case the founders, acquire the portion of the company that was held by the investor who was looking to exit. An important point to note is that exit options might be defined by the lead investor at each round. The choice of exit plan would depend on the entrepreneur's goals and objectives. From an investor perspective, any of these exits does the job of cashing out